Hi guys, in today's tutorial we will see that how the JavaScript expressions are used in JSX. So let me tell you, first of all I am going to create everything from scratch. Import React from React, and here import, I am writing React DOM from React DOM slash client, and now here I am going to write const root is equal to React DOM dot create root, and here document dot get element by id. Here I am writing root, and here I have to render this root dot render. I am just showing here the JavaScript expressions in React.js, or you can say JSX. This is JSX part. We have to render everything like HTML, and this HTML similar things are nothing but just called JSX in React.js. So first of all you have to create, let's suppose I am taking a JavaScript variable const var is equal to, let's say, Samuel. Const var is equal to, I have written this as my name, so h1 hello there, I am var. When I write var, I think here is double quotation, still an error, but it const var. Oh, that's wrong. That var is a predefined variable. I am writing first name, so you can see that this error is removed because var was a predefined variable in JavaScript. I am going to write here first name control s, and you will see that here is just showing first name but not showing my name. So this is basically JavaScript expression, and this is JSX. How can we implement JavaScript expressions in JSX? First of all, we should know that the everything of JavaScript we have written in JSX, this is always in curly braces, like first name, and this first name, when we write it in JSX, we will write in in curly braces control s, and you will see that now it is showing my name. This is how can we express JavaScript expressions or variables in React.js JSX. So let me take h2, and here I can have any mathematic expression like this. You can say that 2 plus 3 and this plus is nothing but just showing like a JavaScript. If I write it without curly braces h2, and it will without curly braces, 2 plus 3, you will see this is nothing but just showing the same output, and this is JavaScript expression, and it will make a mathematical operation as it has given a symbol. uh, Let me show you. Control S, and here you can see that this is the same expression, and this is the expression which is written in curly braces is showing the output. Like we can have any other. Control S, and you can see that this is same. You can have multiply, Control S, and you can see it is still same. The everything we have to write in JSX which is related to JavaScript, we will write in curly braces, like any predefined function, math dot, you can say render, math dot, sorry, not render, random, because we are going to make any random element. Control S, and you will see every time you will have a random element. Every time you will refresh it, it will show a random element. So this is the JavaScript function which creates a random elements. So this was all about today. I hope you understood it correctly.